You fall asleep. You lie on your back. Your mouth is slightly open. Everything looks calm. But inside, air tries to pass through a narrow passage. It moves with effort, like being pushed through a thin tube. The first rough sound appears. Smoking. Smoke moves through the same pathways. The walls become tighter. The sound turns harsher. Your nose is crooked. The septum is shifted to one side. Air can't move straight through. It hits the walls. Snoring happens more often. Aging. You're over 60 now. The tissues inside aren't as firm. They sag. They hold less. During sleep, everything relaxes even more. The passage narrows. The snoring becomes deep and heavy. Excess weight, fat around the belly and neck presses inward. There's less space. The sound grows louder. Alcohol relaxes the body. Everything inside becomes softer. The tongue drops further back. The passage is almost blocked. All of it together creates loud snoring.